Here's an epic fail. Putting air ductwork in an attic in Austin, Texas is a terrible idea. Yes, tens of millions of homes are built this way, which means terrible idea spread like wildfire. Since we almost never have basements in Central Texas, the attic is the place where there's enough space to put the large ducts so that we can distribute the conditioned air to each room. What is the problem? Well, have you ever hung out in your attic on a summer afternoon? If you have, then you know what I imagine hell feels like. Do you remember burning yourself with hot water from the sink at some point in your life? Well, you get the same feeling when touching surfaces in the attic on a hot summer day. Meaning, an attic is the most hostile environment for your ductwork. Let me explain. When it's 90 degrees outside, the attic is 125 degrees or more because the sun heats up the roof itself to 160 degrees, with the heat radiating into your vented attic. The problem is that your air handler produces 55-degree air and then pushed your conditioned air through the hot ductwork to the register in each room. Your ductwork has a thin fiberglass wrap between the 55-degree air and the 125-degree air. As the air that you paid to cool travels through that hot ductwork, it heats up, meaning you're blowing 65 to 75-degree air into the rooms that are furthest away from the air handler. Let's say that you're comfortable when the room is 72 degrees. How long is it going to take to cool a room to 72 degrees when you're blowing 75-degree air into that room? How much quicker would the room cool if you could blow 55-degree air instead? What if you could blow 55-degree air into every room? Can you see how that would provide much more even cooling in the house? The problem is that our conditioned air is in a hostile environment. We need to create a better environment for our conditioned air. Will replacing your ductwork with better insulated ducts fix the problem? No. They will still be reheating lines, as I like to call them, in the cooling season. Here's why. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, the average house air duct leakage is 30%, meaning 30 cents out of every dollar that's spent to condition the house is lost, wasted. It leaks out of all the plenum seams, duct connections, register connections, and through the fiberglass itself. Fiberglass insulation does not stop airflow. It filters air. Conditioned air going through the fiberglass makes it useless. Replacing old fiberglass wrapped ducts with new fiberglass wrapped ducts can get you a thicker air filter. Replacing your ductwork and sealing it with mastic will get you mediocre results. The mastic sealant is thin as paint and brittle. To get maximum results, you need tight and true duct encapsulation or to turn your vented attic into an airtight Yeti cooler.